Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1969 MGC GT Coupe. Really attractive little thing here. 31,000 original miles. We bought it out of a private collection where they swore up and down the mileage is original. And when you look closely at this car, it's pretty believable. So, Primrose yellow, black leather interior, automatic, wire wheels. So really unusual spec, but I know there's a buyer out there just dying to get his hands on this this CGT with auto trans. So real comfortable, sort of lazy car to drive. Really, really lovely freeway car and around town car with that automatic transmission. So that's a really rare spec. But there was a few MGCs produced in auto. There was automatic, four-speed overdrive, but yeah, real interesting spec here. Single repaint, really a nice restoration that was performed on this car probably about 7-8 years ago. Still showing very, very well. So paint was renewed, chrome work, seats were retrimmed in leather. They're just too good looking to be the originals. But the rest of the interior is original. I'll show you that in a minute. But really lovely bright work, lovely glass trim, chrome fittings all around the body. You can just see how just spectacular all this aluminum trim and even the windshield insert chrome is. Just beautiful stuff. Brand new front windshield, only because they probably did a glass out repaint, and most people aren't patient. They break that windshield trying to get it out rather than very, very carefully removing it. But yeah, really nicely restored CGT in this Primrose yellow with auto transmission, but wire wheels. Let's take a look back here. Original triplex rear glass. Yeah, really lovely rubber, bright work. Just a sharp looking car cosmetically. In here you can see this, this is like the original headliner. It's had a new carpet kit fitted. Let's take a look at the main cabin here. So just wonderfully rich black leather interior, original arm bars, original door panels. Like I said, seats are trimmed in full leather. They're just perfect. Let's take a little sit in here. Rubber floor mats, perfect dashboard. You know, really nice steering wheel. You can see the auto shifter there. Excellent original headliner. So, you know, when the seller swore up and down that mileage is original, lots of reason to believe that. 31,656. Just wonderful. Just totally done interior. Just mix of original and restored. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. We're going to be posting a driving video of this car probably next week. Pretty clean, tidy engine bay, but we are going to be doing some detailing here, so check for the updated photos there. But yeah, nice fitting panels throughout. Really good paint. There are just a couple minor sections where you see just a couple little blistering, couple little localized spots, but you know, it's been painted now 7-8 years, and being a light color, not really apparent anywhere. But yeah, very unusual spec CGT, but quite handsome in this color scheme and in this condition. So really, really, really exceptional condition here. And This is our 1969 MGC GT, finished in its original colors of primrose yellow, black leather interior, automatic gearbox, wire wheels, showing 31,000 original miles. Very nice cosmetic and minor mechanical restoration performed about, I think the seller was telling me about 6-7 years ago, but still presenting beautifully. And look for that driving video next week, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.